We're looking here at multiplying pairs of mixed numbers or pairs of improper fractions. To do these activities, you need to be confident with multiplying pairs of proper fractions, converting mixed numbers to improper fractions, and converting improper fractions to mixed numbers, and simplifying fractions. Here we have two improper fractions. We're going to multiply them together. 3 halves multiplied by 5 thirds. These work exactly the same as multiplying proper fractions. We multiply the numerators together. 3 times 5, that's 15. Then we multiply the denominators together. 2 times 3, that's 6. Our answer is another improper fraction. Generally, we're asked to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers in our answers. So we're going to convert 15/6 to a mixed number. We know the denominator is going to be 6. How many times does 6 go into 15? 2 6s are 12, so it goes in twice. How many sixths are left over? 15 take 12, that's 3. You may also recognise that 3/6 is the same as a half, so 2 3/6 is the same as 2 1/2. Here's one for you to try. 4 thirds multiplied by 7 thirds. Pause the video, have a go. Multiply the numerators together. 4 times 7, that's 28. Multiply the denominators together. 3 times 3, that's 9. Now we're going to convert that to a mixed number. We know we're going to have ninths. How many times does 9 go into 28? Well, 3 times 9 is 27, so that's 3 whole and 1/9 left over. This time we're multiplying a pair of mixed numbers, so there's an extra step in here because the first thing we have to do is convert them to improper fractions. That first one, we're going to have so many thirds. 2 times 3 is 6, add another 2 is 8, so that's 8 thirds, multiplied by so many quarters. 2 times 4 is 8, add 3, that's 11. 8 thirds multiplied by 11 quarters. And now we do exactly the same as we do with proper fractions. Multiply the denominators together, that's 12. Multiply the numerators together, that's 88. This is a bit tough, so you're going to be using lots of the skills you've learned in other areas of maths. We're going to convert this back to a mixed number. We know we're going to have so many twelfths. How many times does 12 go into 88? 7 lots of 12 is 84, and that leaves us with 4 more twelfths. And you may recognise that 4 twelfths can be simplified to 1/3. So the answer is 7 1/3. And here's one for you to try. 3 2/3 multiplied by 2 2/5. Pause the video, have a go. First, convert to improper fractions. We know that the first one's going to be so many thirds. 3 times 3 is 9, add 2 is 11. And we're going to multiply that by so many fifths. 2 times 5 is 10, add 2 is 12. 11 thirds multiplied by 12 fifths. Multiply the denominators. 3 times 5 is 15. And 11 times 12 is 132. This one's even more tricky now. Convert back to a mixed number. We know we're going to have so many 15ths. How many times does 15 go into 132? 8 times 15 is 120, so we have 8 whole ones. Out of 132, we have 12 left, 12 15ths. You may recognise that 12 and 15 will both divide by 3, so we can simplify that to 8 4/5.